Choosing the right crypto exchange can feel like trying to pick a needle out of a haystack, so how do you know which one is right for you? Today we're pitting two crypto titans against each other, Kraken and Binance. Both are industry giants, but they have some fundamental differences that could make one a better choice for you. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about fees. This is often the first thing people look at. Binance generally has some of the lowest trading fees in the industry, especially if you use their native token, BNB, to get a discount. Their fee structure can be a bit more complex, with different VIP levels and discounts. Kraken's fees are also competitive and often seen as more straightforward, with a clear maker-taker model and discounts based on your 30-day trading volume. While Binance might win on the lowest headline numbers, Kraken's transparent structure gives you a predictable cost, which is a major plus. Next, coin selection. This is where Binance really shines. They have a massive selection of cryptocurrencies, with hundreds of coins available to trade globally. They are known for listing new projects quickly, giving traders access to a wide range of assets. Kraken's selection is also extensive, but it's more curated and deliberate. They support a large number of coins and are always adding more, but they are known for their strict due diligence, which means fewer risky or unproven projects. So, if you're an altcoin hunter, Binance is probably your playground. If you prefer a more vetted and established selection, Kraken might be a better fit. Now, let's get into what really matters, security. This is an area where Kraken has built its reputation. Since its founding, Kraken has never had a major hack that resulted in the loss of client funds. They pioneered the practice of regular, independently verifiable proof of reserves audits, giving users peace of mind that their assets are truly backed 1:1. They've made security their foundation. Binance has also made significant security improvements and has its own SAFA fund for asset protection, but it has experienced notable security incidents in the past. If security is your absolute top priority, Kraken's track record is a compelling argument. Finally, user experience and features. Binance is a powerhouse ecosystem. Beyond simple trading, they offer everything from an NFT marketplace and staking services to lending and their own launchpad for new projects. The platform can be a lot to take in for a beginner. Kraken, on the other hand, is known for its cleaner, more user-friendly interface, especially on its main platform. It still offers a robust set of features for advanced traders through Kraken Pro, but the overall experience is often seen as more accessible and less overwhelming. So, which one is for you? If you're a power user looking for the most coins, lowest fees, and a full suite of crypto services, and you're comfortable with a more complex platform, Binance is a strong contender. But if you value security, a more straightforward experience, and a platform with a long-standing, impeccable reputation, Kraken is the clear choice. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.